How to change phone number in Google account. Need to update your Google account phone number? Let's do it step by step. So first, go ahead and open up Google. And then from here, click on your profile at the top right, select manage your Google account, and that will take you in here. So in here, go ahead and click on personal info at the left side. And then look for phone, click on it. And then in here, you can go ahead and add your phone number and then remove the ones that you don't use anymore. So simply click on the ones that you don't use anymore and then simply delete it from here by clicking on this delete button. So once you enter your new phone number, Google sends a verification code via SMS or call. Enter the code to confirm. And that is how to change phone number in Google account.